Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with a quick checklist. Confirm Android and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi or have Bluetooth active, and disable personal hotspot so connections aren't blocked. Next, open Quick Share on your Android and put the iPhone in a discoverable receiving state, AirDrop or the Files app ready to accept. Once done, pick the file on Android, tap Share, and choose the detected iPhone device. You're initiating the secure transfer now. You now execute the transfer. On Android, select the photos or files, tap Share and then Quick Share, and wait for the iPhone icon to appear. Tap it immediately. On the iPhone, accept the incoming prompt and monitor the progress bar. Make sure both devices remain unlocked and within a few meters. If the transfer is slow or stalls, try toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, then restart the share. This often reestablishes the peer channel and completes the exchange efficiently. You finish by verifying that the received items are in photos or files on the iPhone and open a sample to confirm integrity. If something didn't arrive, reattempt the transfer after restarting both devices and re-enabling Quick Share on Android and AirDrop on iPhone. Make sure neither device runs a VPN that blocks local discovery. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on again. Then repeat the share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.